Let me rub and let me come on the exercise. Students, we have lots of question, but it's on you now. Question 19 and question 14 are same. In question 15, we will take x square equal to t. Try to hear me. You can hear me lots of time because it is video. You can rewind that. And 15 question x square equal to t will be taken. In 16th question, it's an improper fraction. You will divide and get answer. In 17, we have a 3 function, so separate the integration. In 18 is a special question. I am telling you. This is a question. I won't take time. I will tell you very fast that cos 2 theta is equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. And cos theta equal to cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2. If you focus that, this is looking very same. So, what you will do now, you will take out minus common. So, it's gonna be cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2. Now, this minus is okay outside and this whole is none else but it is same, meaning cos x. And you know the integration of cos x, which is the sin x, limit from 0 to pi. So, upper limit sin pi, lower limit sin 0, ultimately 0 minus 0 is 0. That's the answer. So, this is a simple way. Now, student, 19th one is very similar to 14, which I taught you here. And 20th is we have a 2 function. You can separate and get your answer. So this was a whole exercise which I tried to tell you with all examples. So please do them now. It's very simple. If you know the integration, you can do the questions of the exercise. I think I will take a little 2 minute more to tell you one kind of question. In question number 20 of the 7.9, x e to the power x is coming. Only I am telling you this section. This section. Look at. We know it is a multiplication concept. So right now you learn that how to treat to multiplication under the definite integration. So let me explain very simple thing. You start with so-called formula method, product law, integrating by part method, Eilert law, you know it each and everything. First function, second function, by Eilert law. And how to deal, look at, because the limit is also waiting for you. So you have to put the limit also. So I do, and I will use the direct method, meaning I won't write each and everything, I will use it. I will integrate each function directly. First function same. Integration of second is e to the power x, have integration same. You have done it. Now what you write, minus and so on so on. But before it, because it has been done, use a limit. Because it has done. Now first function, integration of second is same, limit, using limit, minus differentiation of x is 1. Integration of e to the power x is same and have again integration. So wait for that. Hope you are getting it. First function, integration second, it has done. Integration is same. Integration of second is same. So use a limit. Minus differentiation of first, integration of second and yet to integrate again. So wait for that. Now use a limit. 1 e to the power 1 minus 0 into e to the power 0, meaning 0. And what about the 1 is have no sense. E to the power x have integration same and put the limit again. And that is a method. Now e is e and here it is the power 1 e to the power 0. E minus minus plus, this is 1, cancel, and 1 e to the power 0 is 1, no, power 0, that's why it is 1. So this is answer. This was a method which I wanted to tell you. Whenever multiplication will come, you do by this method. Okay, so complete exercise now from your side. I have taught you lots of possible questions. Now do them. So we will see the next one by tomorrow. Thank you.